If you're tackling engineering or architecture courses in 2025, you need a laptop that won't slow you down. Today, we're checking out the top 3 ThinkPads built for heavy CAD, 3D modeling, and design workloads, combining speed, portability, and reliability. Stick around to see which one earns the top spot. Hit subscribe, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 2. This is built for serious power users, and right now it's discounted from $3,389 to $2,579 at Lenovo USA. The P16 Gen 2 is an instant recommendation for engineering and architecture students. It's incredibly powerful, ruggedly built, and features the classic ThinkPad keyboard and numpad, perfect for long sessions. In our review, we called it an absolute beast. It excels at 3D rendering, CAD, AI workloads, and creative applications, all thanks to its top-tier CPU and GPU delivering workstation-level performance in a portable design. If you need a laptop that can handle heavy workloads without compromise, the ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 is one of the most capable professional machines you can buy today. Number 2. Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 7. The P16 Gen 7 is a powerhouse ultrabook workstation, now down from $3,159 to $2,399 at Lenovo USA. This configuration comes with an Intel Core Ultra 7155H processor, 32 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD. Unlike the chunkier P16, the P16 Gen 7 stays slim and portable, with the signature ThinkPad keyboard centered and no numpad. We praised it for its impressive build quality, strong performance, and excellent battery life. It's a top-tier choice for professionals who need to tackle demanding workloads like 3D design, video editing, and AI tasks, all while keeping the laptop lightweight and easy to carry. If you want power and mobility in one sleek package, the P16 Gen 7 is hard to beat. Number 3. Lenovo ThinkPad P16s Gen 3. The P16s Gen 3 is a highly portable mobile workstation, now discounted from $2,559 to $1,769 at Lenovo USA. Slimmer than the P1, it's perfect for professionals on the move, though it's not quite as powerful for complex workloads. This configuration packs an Intel Core Ultra 715H processor, RTX 500, 8th generation GPU, 32 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD. Pair that with a 4K OLED display, and you get sharp, vibrant visuals ideal for design, media, and productivity tasks. For AMD fans, the P16 AMD models also offer excellent performance and portability. Overall, the P16 Gen 3 strikes a balance between performance, portability, and premium visuals, a solid choice for professionals on the go. So, after testing performance, portability, and features, the winner is the Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 2, perfect for engineering and architecture students who need power, durability, and smooth workflow all in one machine.